This is the haunted melon, apple, and corn exploring the haunted house known as I don't know. Hey, what's that house over there? Huh? Let's go explore it. You sure this is not a good idea? Come on, bro. It's not spooky.
Walang naman yun. Ay naman?
No, man. Oh no. Wait. Cut. Corn, you good? You got her. How did you regenerate it quickly? Di ako nag-yoyosi. Nag-video ako. Thank you. I'll open the door.
Hindi daw siya nag-yoyosi, nag-video siya.
Wait, cut. Again.
Ang daming tao dyan, no?
What's this? Oh no! Wait,
Ano yung
guys,
namatay
come
ni
here.
Anis na Ateneo? Ateneo yung nakamatay?
Hindi pa lang yun. Hindi pa naglalagay sa mga bagay.
The spooky house. Why is there corpses here?
Basketball. Sino kalaban nila?
Wait. They got teleported inside.
Hindi sa
Oh no, why is there rotting bodies? Guns, I think this is a killer house. Go check the state. Oh.
Ano siya?
Oh
Basketball.
my god, what the hell?
Nasa training sila sa lahat.
This is brutal. I need to call the police.
Naglangoy.
Melon's bossy melon rod and tweeted is informed.
Nalulod din sila. Pagkamatay.
911, what's your emergency? There's dead bodies in this house, in this spooky house called IDK. Wait, cut, wait.
Pero dapat maglalakad lang sa balat.
No, ignore the background.
Jogging.
Oh, why is there no signal here? You dumb phone. You dumb phone. Feel very uncomfortable with this body, so I think I am going to vomit actually.
Walang supervision. Ibig sabihin, no? Wala yung coach.
Kasama yung tingin. Kasama yun.
Lalo yung mga senior, no?
10 minutes later, the police showed up.
Isa naman ang buhay yung Batangas.
We're here! Oh wait, no, I forgot the signal. Call out. Again, wait. Let's just ignore that. Another 20 minutes later. I think it's time to go down. Wait, what? Guys, what happened up there? Bro, you're dead. They're dead doesn't speak. Wait. God, what happened to Melon? You're dead, you're lips. What the hell happened over there? Say wala bro, what the hell? You done that? This part is known as the ending.